Okay guys, so I am here at You Pull It. Let's get it, let's go y'all. Welcome back to Chuck's Daily Hustle, man. If you are new to the channel, go ahead and subscribe, turn on all post notifications. You do that by clicking the bell right next to the subscribe button, and then everybody go ahead and smash that thumbs up button right now. That would help me out, and that might put you closer to be a part of Major Nation, but you gotta do all of that if you want to be a part of Major Nation. Also, man, I got the links to all my social medias in the description below, with a couple of other ways to get a hold of me and a couple of ways for you guys to actually make some money, man. So go check it out. And then I also got some apparel down there if you guys want to check that out as well. So anyways, guys, so it is obviously a new day. It's bright and early, and today's supposed to actually be in the mid-60s, which is dope because we've been getting a big cold spell, man. So right now, y'all, I'm on my way out to Odessa auto auction, and I'm going to try to find me some deals, man. So basically today, you guys, I'll just be going out there doing my regular thing, which is going to be trying to find some cars to actually sell. So I'm not bidding on anything today. I sold a lot of cars this week, so we actually down to like 4 cars, and none of them are ready actually when I think about it. So which is dope to me because I got a day off, so that was really, or 2 days off, so that was really dope, man. So anyways, let's get to where we gotta go. Hopefully I can get you guys some footage in the auction today. Maybe I'll put it with this vlog, maybe not. Let's see. All right, you guys, I am here at Odessa, and it is time to find us some cars, man. So first thing I see is one of my favorites, y'all. Jeep Liberty 07. It's got 165 on that joint. It's got a little bit of damage right here so far I can see. Ooh, got a busted out window back here. So it's just missing that molding, but yeah. Well, I think it's still worth the test drive, y'all. If I can get it for the dirt, then we'll be straight. Let's see. This thing starts up. Got power. Oh, didn't start up. Let's see if this rendezvous starts up. Let's see. I got my jump pack, so don't worry, y'all. Don't worry. So 04 Buick Rendezvous. This thing is pretty dang clean. Tires is a little low on tread, but 195, 196 on this. Glove box is off track. Let's see if she starts up. Okay, she started up. Most definitely want this thing to run. This thing, oh, well, let's see if it's got 3,400 or 35 before I make conclusions. 3,400 motor. Looks like this is from the junkyard, so I'm gonna let this thing run for a little bit, make sure it don't overheat. So let me go jump off this Jeep Liberty real fast. And then everybody comment below. What size motor's in this thing? 3.7s in here. Everybody comment below, let me know what you guys heard about these Jeep Liberties. I had a tow truck driver tell me he gets a lot of these overheating. Obviously, y'all know I just sold like 2 of these things and I didn't have any issues, so I kind of like these now. But you comment below if you're a dealer and you've been dealing with these Jeep Liberties, let me know. But let me jump this thing and then we'll get this thing on the road. Okay, you guys, so it's starting to get a little bit windy, so hopefully you can still hear me. But I was going to start this thing up, and like I just said, the dude told me about the thing overheating and everything. What do we see immediately? Reservoir is on E. So I took the dipstick out of here. Matter of fact, let me see if I can pull this out with one hand. If you guys can see that, it is milky. Let me try to get a better thing for y'all. Hopefully you guys can see where the milky residue is. That's because of the coolant mixing with the oil. So I'm not gonna rock with this one. Let's go find some more cars. All right, y'all. I just decided I'm just gonna take this thing, you know, through the ringer. So we're gonna drive this for a little bit longer than what we normally do. Make sure it don't overheat, because I just don't want to forget about this thing running and I don't test drive it. So let's see what we do, or she do. Hopefully it's a good one. This thing got 195, so people will be scared of it. So, okay, shifted good. I'm kind of hearing the wheel bearing. Okay, shifted. to 65. All right. Now it's in overdrive. All right. Driving pretty dang good, y'all. Suspension seems to be tight. Yeah, let's see. This is that wheel bearing loud in that thing. I think it's the driver's side. I don't know for sure, but we're gonna have to most definitely drive this thing. This would be perfect too, just for this season. People looking for like these crossover type SUVs. But this thing ain't got the third row, so that's the big problem. A lot of times people want these to have the third row. Let's check these windows while we got this light. Okay, that one worked. That one worked. Let's see, back one didn't work. Let's see. Oh wait, yep, that one works. So that's fine. Oh, can't reach my hand back there. Let me see. Let's see if the back window works. Nope. All right, so that window back there is dead. That's not getting nothing. Let's see. All right. My bad, y'all. Finger got stuck. Seem to be cool, man. Let me drop it a little bit more so I don't bore y'all to death. Make sure this thing don't overheat, and then I'll get y'all the final result. All right, y'all, next one up, man. It's starting to get a little windy, man, so I'm gonna have to end up getting this video done. We got like real high winds, that's what the weather's saying, and I know y'all can't hear me that good. So anyways, man, this probably be the last one. It's an 07 Audi A4 Quattro. It has 172,000 miles on it. It's got a little bit of body work that needs to be done, but slight body work. Not tripping on that. We're just gonna see how this thing runs, man. Make sure it don't misfire, have no crazy codes in here. Then we'll be straight. These is like, before COVID, all I did was Audis and Beamers, y'all. So I kind of know a little bit about these. So it's got the 2.0 in here, fuel injected motor, of course. It's a little bit low on coolant. You always want to, these coolant, if this thing is leaking oil from the engine, from the bottom, a lot of times it is a big problem. It's a housing unit that goes bad on these. And there's some other things that go bad on there. But if I can't see where it's leaking from, I usually don't rock with it because it can be a very, very labor intensive job. So, show y'all what is in here. Looks like the glove box is broke. These always do that. Make sure these windows work. I wouldn't mind getting another Audi to sell. Okay, that one, it's working, okay. Make sure the sunroof works. It works. See what this radio turn on. That's cool. All right, so let's put this thing on the road. Let's see what she do. And then I'll check out that fan too. Okay, let's see what she do. Got some cars coming up behind me. Oh, nah, has no power. So this thing is done, son. So, all right, man. So I apologize, you guys. I can't do an auction walk around video with you, but we got to keep the quality up and for you guys to be able to actually hear me. So, obviously, I'm gonna put this thing with the vlog, and I will see you guys once I get out of here and give you guys some final results. Let's get it. Oh, by the way, Buick Rendezvous did not overheat, so that thing is going on my list for sure. What's up, Major Nation? So I am moving and grooving right now. As you can see, I'm not at the auction. I literally just went to the other side of the earth, and now I'm going back to the other side of the earth. But actually, let me stop. I'm gonna make me a little drop real quick, and a little personal little drop real fast, man. And then I am going to either, well, my plan is I'm gonna go out to the office. I'm gonna try to get that Durango together. Hopefully we can make that happen. If not, it is what it is. But so that's the plan on that. And then I need to get out to Pull It. So I got to get out to Pull It so I can grab some pieces for the Hyundai Tucson so we can finally get that thing sold. So that's my plan, man. So I will keep you guys informed as we go, and hopefully we can make something happen, man. But right now, y'all, I'm not gonna lie to you. I have nothing ready for sale. Ain't that crazy? Nothing is ready. So it's like me starting all the not ever not had anything for sale. Not lying to you. So the game has changed completely right now, y'all. So I just got to keep on buying to keep up with what's going on. But I'm not really tripping, man, because if me not having cars let me have a little break, then it's fine, because I refuse to pay more than what cars are worth. And I refuse to sit on cars. So I'd rather just keep on what they call turning and burning them, man. So I'd rather do that than, you know what I'm saying, stay on some crazy inventory and then charge people all this crazy money, man. Because, man, I ain't gonna lie to you, man, I've been hearing some crazy stories about the market right now when it comes to the people that come out and buy cars from me. But, you know, I could do that, man. I could most definitely do it just to stay, you know, in business. But, man, I just can't do people like that. That's my opinion. But to each his own, man. Let's figure it out. Okay, guys, I am here at the lot, man. So I guess I might as well just show you the few that I have that I still got to fix. Obviously, you guys been with me, you know what we've been doing. But like I said, man, we got to always keep up to date with everything that's going on for the new people, for sure, man. So this is for the new people. I got an 08 Hyundai Tucson right here. I still need to go get that guard there. Then we got to get this tail light. And I think I'm going to just say forget the handle right here, because you can open it from the inside. So I don't know. I'll figure that out. Of course, I got my trusty minivan right there. Not in the Tahoe today, guys. And that's pretty much it. My Ford Escape is over there. Like I told y'all before, I got a different dealer selling that one for me. So that's that. But forgetting about this Tahoe. I mean, not Tahoe. What is this thing called? A Dodge Durango. So this is the 04 Dodge Durango, y'all. You guys saw before. I didn't give you the before and after, but I did end up basically kind of painting the rust spots. I'm going to sell this thing for super, super cheap. Well, not super, super cheap, but it's going to be cheap enough for somebody that just needed a nice little kind of beater. I ain't going to say it's the nicest. So, I mean, matter of fact, I'll go ahead and comment below and go ahead and start roasting the car that I got, man. So in the paint job that I did, because as y'all can see, it wasn't my normal Picasso work or anything like that. I just needed to get this thing kind of on the market. And I mean, if you guys look in the inside, man, it's clean, man. I'm about to go get an oil change right now. It's got the DVD player and everything else. This is not my note, y'all, that came with the car. 225,000 miles, but the engine and the tranny is solid. Just gonna, like I said, go grab this oil change real quick. It's got all-wheel or front 4-wheel drive, so you know you really can't beat it. So I think I'm gonna end up throwing it online for like 1,700, just because. Y'all, matter of fact, comment below, let me know, especially all the dealers, how much would you sell this thing for? Yeah, let me know, man. But anyways, let's get on this road, man. Let's get to it. I need to get back to Odessa too, so I can drive some more cars. Durango is posted, so I got 2 hits already, which is perfectly okay with me. For real. So yeah, I'm done with that. Basically, I'm running a little bit behind. I ended up seeing another dealer, and we ended up talking for a while. So right now I'm on my way out to You Pull Our Parts. I don't know if they got that all over the globe or what, but that is a place where I can go pull some parts for the dirt. So they do have a 08 Hyundai Tucson out there. I'm going out there. I'm probably just going to end up, because I don't have like a lot of tools with me. My brother's actually got my tools. I never explained to y'all what happened with the tools, and I never will, I don't think. Maybe I will. But anyways, my brother's got the tools there, and I will be going out here with not too many tools. So I'm about to get what I can with what I got, and I don't think the tail light is going to be something that I'm going to be able to get off. But the door molding, that should be like really, really simple. So let's see what happens, and we will go from there. Okay, guys, so I am here at You Pull It, man, and I already found the 08 Hyundai Tucson, and guess what? We got lucky. I already started trying this out. This is real simple, man. I just took my flathead and then just easily gonna pop these out. So give me a second real quick. I don't want to break anything. As I told you, I don't have too many tools, but I'm gonna try to get this tail light out too. If I can get that out, then that'll be dope. If not, I'm gonna see if I can get one of these mechanics out here. Or, I mean, I know they're not all mechanics, but maybe somebody got some tools, maybe I can use them, or I'll pay them to take it off myself. But it's a little windy. Let me get this thing done. Okay, guys, so as you can see, I got that tail light out. Got super lucky, man. All I needed was a Phillips and a flathead, so took that out. Actually, let me open this up for you guys real quick, show you. This is my first time at U-Pull-It with you guys, and it's been a very long time since I've been out here. So basically the flips were 1, 2, 3, and then I just had to pop that tab on. So that was real simple. So let me see what's up with this door handle. If I can get this out, I'm gonna get this out too. So let's see what we can do, y'all. So as you can see, I got the door skin off. That was real simple. I was able to use the same tools, but now I need a ratchet to be able to get that out. So, and this is the door handle like I told y'all before. So let me see if I can find somebody out here, or maybe U-Pull-It actually got some tools that I can use. I probably have to buy it, but I'm not buy it, but rent it out or something. But I will let you guys know. Hopefully we can get this one out, and then we got all the parts we need for the Honda. We can get this thing sold. I did not get the door handle out, y'all. So I tried to have somebody help me out, but basically nobody could help me. So it is what it is. Well, not help me. I actually was gonna pay him. So, but whatever, man. So I'm gonna have to see. I might just I'm gonna probably try to post that thing the way it is, and then see what happens. So as long as the molding goes on there, the tailgate goes on there, and I mean tail light goes on there, and everything's cool with that, then we straight. So I don't see why I couldn't make a couple dollars just because of a little door handle, whatever. So let's see what happens, man. So let's get back to this office real quick and go from there. I am here back at the lot. I'm a little tired, a little depressed too, but I'm not gonna trip. Got these bugs flying all around. It's going crazy out here. So anyways, as you guys can see, man, I got the tailgate. I mean, I keep saying tailgate. The tail light put on, no problem at all. Obviously we couldn't do nothing about this. And yeah, we still don't have the dang thing put on, which is whatever that's called. So reason why, let me show you. I don't know why I didn't look at this before I walked out of the dang U-Pull-It parts. It only cost me $5, but still $5 I could have saved. So here it is. Here are the broken tabs. So as you can see, somebody had already repaired this from the used part that I already got. So I don't know why I didn't look in the inside, man. I was tripping. So now we are SOL when it comes to this one. I'm gonna leave this here for whoever buys the car. I just said forget it, man. The tail light's on, so that's cool. I'm gonna post it. I mean, I already posted it, my bad. I posted it for pretty cheap now, just because I just want to be done with it. I'm not finna keep on playing around with these cars. So as you can see, Dodge Durango, and both cars are put up with minor flaws. And usually I don't do those type of flaws, but and the reason why, before I say but, the reason why is because I like to try to get all the money I can, and I don't really like to have my cars be the laughingstock of the internet, just because I like to preserve my brand. But at the same time, man, there's always a car for somebody, and people, a lot of times, I told y'all this before, a lot of times people can't even afford the cars that I'm posting. So it's all good. I'm gonna post it very cheap, get those things going, then we're just gonna move on to the next ones and then go from there. So as you guys can see, I hate cosmetic problems, because those are like that's like my #1 weakness. Look at these bugs, man. I don't know if y'all can even see that. They just flying everywhere. I done ate a couple of them. Ugh. But but yeah, man. So yeah, man, so that's my weakness, man, is body. So it's just not, it's really hard to have a body person or somebody to be able to get me certain parts from the junkyards right now. But it is what it is. I'm not gonna trip on it. Also, the people that were calling about the Dodge Durango basically playing around. So I'm not gonna string you guys along. I didn't go back to Odessa. The reason why, guys, is obviously we got busy, but I would have went back, but Tremaine went out there and he said that they didn't add any more cars out there besides 5 more. So shame on Odessa, man. That's all I can say. But until tomorrow, man, I will see you guys, man. Y'all have a blessed day, a productive day. I hope you guys are making a lot of blue faces, or starting to make a lot of blue faces, depending on when you see this video. As you guys know, 9:30 a.m. Central Standard Time, these videos pop up Sunday through Thursday, and I do appreciate everybody for rocking with me. If you are here, comment below, let me know that you are here. Shout out to everybody a part of the Major Nation family. I will see you guys tomorrow. Peace.